Yeah, hello everyone. Welcome to Apna channel. So finally, only 7 days are left for IMD exam. I'm very much excited for this exam because after 4 to 5 years, we can see the large number of vacancies. That is 990 vacancies. Okay, and definitely after 4 to 5 years again after this, you will get the vacancy from IMD. So whatever you time you have now, that is only you have this last week, or I can say 7 days in your hand. And how you utilize the 7 days will decide who will get this job and who will not get, definitely, right? So first of all, let me congratulate you guys because those who got application status as form accepted, this is also first achievement you got it, okay? Because lots of students form got rejected by SSC because of different reason or variety of reason, but it's better, it's easy, or it's good that your form is selected, okay? So for that, congratulations. Now 2.5 lakh, yes, 2.5 lakh applicants applied for this 990 vacancies, okay? Out of this, suppose I erase 1.5 lakh, and then after that we will get 1 lakh, and out of this 1 lakh, basically 10,000 candidates are very much serious for this recruitment or for this 990 vacancies. So definitely the competition quality is also good, okay? I can say not that much applicants applied for this because of age criteria and qualification, but this 10,000, okay, to beat this 10,000, you need to focus more on IMD now for the next 7 days, okay? And for that, you need now focus preparation, okay? This is very much important. So already our success pack is there, consistently in every PSUs and central government, we are giving selections. And now in this video, I will tell you what are things you are getting in success pack, because already how to use those things properly and strategically, smartly, all those things are already uploaded in your success pack mentored folder, okay? So in this video, we will discuss that what are the do's and don'ts for your last week, and about I will tell you the information about success pack. And success pack is only for those students, those who are very much serious to get IMD, because you already watched the podcast, I hope, for IMD. If not, then just watch that podcast. I am giving you the link in the comment section. In that, very much important thing is that about your preference, location preference, okay? If you didn't get good rank, because see, to get selection, it is not means it is not a big deal in IMD, okay, to get the selection, but to get good rank so that you can prefer your location of posting, that is most important, okay? And that factor is much more important, and this you will realize after your selection. So it's better to prepare for the exam for the 7 days with this mindset only, then only you are able to get the good rank in IMD, okay? And our success pack is for this only. So let's start our video. Okay, so first we will discuss about your mock test. So what is your mock test schedule? So in front of you, you can see for electronics communication and computer science, mock test 1 already live on 5th December. Okay, second will get live tomorrow, third will get live on 8th, 4th, 9th and 5th, 10th. Now most important thing about our mock test, already, those who are previous student, that mock test acts as a question bank also, okay? So for the next 7 days, basically you will use only the resources which I am giving you success pack, whether it is Qbox, magazine box, lots of things I am giving you, right? Now how to use those things properly, I already made the video in your success pack. When you will join, you can watch that video carefully, okay? So these are the 5 mock tests I am giving for each brand. So total 1000 questions you will get. Obviously the question number I don't care about that, okay? Because it is not like that I will give you for 1000 question, 5000 question. No, I want to give you selection. That is my purpose, okay? And for that, what are the factors are required, that only I am giving, okay? So this time, if you observe, instead of 3 mock tests, I am giving 5, okay? 2 extra, because it is required for IMD exam, because it is paper of SSC, so we can't say anything, right? Now here basically for technical, okay, different things is there. It is not like technical is this easily available or in anything, okay? Different pattern is there of exam, and definitely we can expect something different for this time, because after 4 to 5 years we are getting this vacancy. So yes, something is expected, unexpectedly expected, I can say, okay? So before that, before going to our main discussion, in success pack, basically what are things are there for EC, electronics communication, quickly summary, because already guys, okay? And all the things I already written in your description part of success pack. In the comment section I am giving the link, so you can check after this video. So in aptitude, Qbox and mock test you will use now. Reasoning, Qbox and mock test you will use. English, Qbox mock test, and ebook, English ebook is there, you will use. For general awareness, magazine box, Qbox and mock test you will use. And for technical, quick revision ebook, where you get all the technical concepts at one place, and mock test you will use. Only that's it, okay? And how to use these things properly, that I already tell in your success pack, okay? The main important thing is that now about Telegram PDF. So now Telegram PDF you can stop, okay? You can resume of English Telegram PDF you can resume, okay? General awareness, static GK, okay, then your table wise DK, then general studies and current affair. These 5 PDFs only you can resume, and for aptitude and reasoning and technical, obviously these things are there. Okay. So now those who are new and those who will join Telegram channel now, what you can do, at least refer last 4 months Telegram PDF from our file section. Okay, in your Telegram channel, file section is there. So just go there and watch that 4 months PDF, download that and just practice the questions from that. Okay, at least of current affair, because to get under 200 rank, our current affair and aptitude, in the start only I told you, when we set this target to get under 200 rank, these two important things. Okay, so we need to just improve those things, and definitely in mock test I am trying that whatever things I will give you in the questions, okay, those should get repeated in your original mock test. Okay, from that definitely I try my hard, and hopefully we will get lots of questions in this 9 shift, because total 9 shifts are there, 14, 15, 16, 3 shift each. Okay, so this is for EC, and for computer science the same thing. Just quick revision ebook is not there for computer science. From mock test only you will complete your technical, and just you will revise from your notes and from resources whatever you use. Okay, for this last 7 days. Okay, so now here you can see how to join the success pack. Okay, download application, then you can just search IMD, and then you can join according to your branch. Okay, in the description you can see all the things I already wrote, so you can just refer that. Now important thing for last 7 days, okay, what I told you, that to get selection, focus preparation for IMD means your preparation should be more focused for IMD only. It is not like you are solving paper of any other exams. Definitely till now we solved that. Okay, in preparation strategy also I told you do this from, but now for these 7 days our focus preparation should be there. So quality question bank you will practice, which are specific to IMD. Okay, no need for other any references, because for concept building we already solved the questions from variety of resources that I already quoted in your preparation strategy. But for now, because we are now doing exam level practice, we are doing practice for exam hall, that is most important, right? So focus preparation is required, and definitely from that mock test and everything from our success pack, okay, you can see the selections. Definitely that thing is achievable. Okay, second thing, now no need to do any extra topic. What you will do, basically those questions you will get in your mock test, okay, those questions only you can just refer from solution part of mock test. No need to refer any other thing, because only 7 days are left, and I will not recommend you to just do anything. Okay, I am considering 7 days as per 14th. Those who will get 15, 16, 1 or 2 days you will get extra. Okay, and your total means final result will be normalized base. So don't worry about your whether today's shift is first hard, easy. Okay, no need to worry for that, because for SSC normalized score will be there. After normalization, whatever score you will get, from that you will get selection, because direct recruitment is there. There is no interview, nothing. Directly IMD exam and then document verification. That's it. Your selection will be there. Okay. So all the best. Please be focused if you are serious and if you want to change your life. Okay, because this is, again I am repeating, after 4 to 5 years we are getting this recruitment, and in 2027 and 28 we will again get the recruitment with that large number. But definitely till the year 27, 28, many of you will lose their age. Okay, and definitely time, the value of time is very much important. So those who are joined, I will strictly recommend you to join our success pack, because it can improve your probability of selection and you can see the consistent selection. Okay, and if you prepare very hard, if you follow strategy at least 70 to 80%, then you can join success pack. Otherwise please don't join, because I don't want to break my consistency of selections. Okay, so just if you are serious, then you can join. All the links I am giving in the comment section. If you have any query, any doubt, you can chat with me on application. Also you can mail or WhatsApp also on the number which I already show you on the banner. Okay, so all the best guys, just be focused, and definitely I am with you. No need to worry for your final result. Okay, those who are giving last attempt of IMD, just do your super best. Okay, and strictly join success pack, because this is your last attempt of IMD exam, right? So yes, if you have any thing, definitely you can comment down below, and all the best again. The next video will be your admit card. Whenever your admit card will get out, that you will get definitely before 4 days of exam. Okay, so I will update you guys from shorts. Now join Telegram channel compulsory, and also give free master plan test. Free master plan is running on. Okay, so just give daily test at least, so that you can be in the zone of IMD. All the best.